Hello YouTube. I just wanted to do a review of my new FOURSEVENS AA turbo flashlight. Just came in the mail today. I'm pretty excited. I hope you all are excited as well. Okay, I know there are a couple of reviews on here already, but I just wanted to add my own initial impression. So, as you can see, some pretty fancy packaging involved here. It's rubberized, intense. Opens like a book. Wow. Little history, innovative features, innovative, state-of-the-art packaging. Wow, this is something else. It's magnetized. Well, let's just open it up, shall we? Yeah, they really went all out with this packaging. Some batteries, also well packaged, wrapped up. Yeah, they must have like a whole other factory just to make the packaging. It's like, wow. Am I supposed to hang it on the wall, or does it void my warranty if I tamper with this packaging? If I modify it? Don't know. Wonder if I throw this stuff away, is it just going to end up at one of those big landfills in India? Okay. Well, as for the light itself, you know what? Fuck it. Can't do this. We're done here.